Welcome back to 5 Talk Street. I'm Chris Gutierrez. NBC 5 and our sister station Telemundo 39 are very proud sponsors of the Salvation Army Angel Tree program. NBC 5 has been a sponsor since it started, so we are excited to have Major Barbara Rich with us today. She is the North Texas area commander of the Salvation Army. I love to talk about all things Angel Tree because, as we were talking before this program, it is the perfect thing to do as a family.
Yeah, it's really one of the purest acts of kindness and generosity that you can come by. When you pick a tag off of a tree, you are choosing a child that we have already screened with the mother. We make sure that they qualify for this program, and we work very, very hard to make sure that the gifts you buy for that child are the gifts that they receive on Christmas morning.
And the thing that you were mentioning too is that family that does that has no idea who that child is.
No, they haven't seen the mother and the child like we have in our staff. But the exciting thing is that they are helping a family. If you go to a mall and pick up a tag and you go shopping with your children, you are already starting to give them the idea of modeling generosity in their life. And you know, when you live that way, it comes back to you.
Amen to that. It really does. You're looking at some video here of years past. I think this is North Park Center right here, where every year, and they're out there right now as we speak, you can find these angel trees. You just go up, you pick an angel, and on it, I'll be honest with you, you read that and sometimes it fills your heart and sometimes it breaks your heart, what some of these children want. Not that they want sometimes it's what they need.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
Because it's unusual to think of a child needing a pair of shoes, for instance, or boots.
A jacket.
Or a warm jacket.
Right.
But on the other hand, that child may still be wearing an older sibling's that's not the right size, but you're going to be able to go shopping for the right size. And we're going to be out there. You know, we started September 23rd actually interviewing mothers for this program. And we've been in the malls since November 1st. We'll be there till December 6th.
Yeah.
But shop early because this whole behind the scenes thing, there are 50,000 angels that we
50,000
that we take care of, and that's a lot of people.
So that talks about the need, friends, right here in North Texas when you hear there are 50,000 angels. And you may be watching this morning and think, oh, there's not a mall near me. No, that is not the case. Look here, if you live in Arlington, Denton, Plano, wherever it is that you are, there is a mall near you that you can get to within short driving distance. Here's more right here, because you really are making a huge difference.
We are, and we are actually finding that there are children who have been touched by this program when they were a child, and they can't wait, and they become adults that come and get tags, often of children the same age that they were when they received gifts.
What does that mean to you when you hear that kind of that idea of paying it forward? I mean, that's life, right?
It's a beautiful sense of generosity, and I still get worked up in tears often as I'm talking about this program because it does move me too.
I have been out at North Park Center, and I have been there, and I have watched families walk up, and the boys will usually go for the little boys, and the girls will go for the little girls, right? And they'll read those things, and then they set off with mom and dad. And I just think, like you said, you're building kind of this culture within your family, and you're planting the seeds early of what you can do and the impact you can have in your own community.
That's right, and our kettles also do do for many families.
That's right.
Yeah,
and you can use credit cards at the kettle, right?
That's right.
Again, there's no
Apple
excuse.
Pay this year.
Yeah,
that's right.
You just tap the app or whatever it is that you do. There are so many ways for North Texans to get involved. And what does it mean to your program? I mean, to have so many people in North Texas wanting to be a part of that, it's just incredible.
Well, we couldn't do this program without the generosity of strangers picking up a tag. And there are over 300 companies that also have Angel Tree in their lobbies.
We do it right here at NBC 5.
We could not possibly do this and touch nearly as many people's lives if we didn't have the help of so many in this community. And this is an incredible place to live and be involved.
Amen to that. Major Barbara Rich, thank you again for being here, and thank you all for joining us. If you can make a difference, please do so. I'm Chris Gutierrez with NBC 5 Talk Street. We'll see you next time.